Wow, pinag-aanda ni Coach Johnny yan. Johnny, eh? Oh, Ryan. Francis, pass it to Francis. Umatake, pinasa kay Brian. Brian, number 28, no good. Uy! Out of bounds. Right ball. Pinasa kay Brian. Pinasa kay Francis. Francis for 2, no good. Uy! Uy! Sino yun? Uy! Over and back. Dito, ref. Dito. Pagka over and back, oh, he's here, okay? Front court. Good job, Kumish. Good job. The books. Pinasa. The books. Pinasa kay Brian. The books. Pinasa pa kay Brian. Brian looking. Pass it to Ryan. Pass it to Ian. Boy, Mike.
Mike pala, Mike.
Okay, 2 shots for Mike Santos. Sub. Batang-bata pa yan, si Mike Santos.
Pwede ba, di ka ba mga players hindi ko tayo sa?
Pwede.
Mga players hindi tayo sa madali ka pa sa
Second shot. Uy! Tumawag ng violation ng rep. Basket good or no?
basket good.
Oh, what's up guys? So, ready na kayo tol? Tawagan niyo si Kuya Edward yung sa uniform.
Ayan.
Gagawin mo, bakit ako tinatanong?
Hindi, biro lang. Sabi ang pangalan mo. Hindi. Under User Team Jason. Team Jason to eh. Alam ko pangalan nito eh. Nasaan Jason? Yeah. Dali. Si Glenn.
Si Glenn. Yeah. We're gonna give your jersey later during the halftime. It's there lang.
Alright. Uy, ang ganda ni Jello. Uy, ang ganda ng Jello. Wala lang. Science. Out of bounds. Oh, over the back. Uy, what's up, Glenn? Clyde.
Number 21.
Wala tayong live. Inaano ko na lang. Binere ko namamatay eh. Patrick. Pinasa kay Brian. Brian for 2. No good. Rebound by Dom. Pass it to D. Number 5. D. Pass it to Dom. Pop a shot. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Outlet to Brian. Uy, ganda na uy. Science. Sub. Okay. Oh, what's up, bro? All right. Oh, what's up, bro? Jojo. Wait, brother, rebound by Ken. Ken is good. 2 points. Oh, Ryan. Ganda nun, Ryan. Galingan. Ayos nun. Ano score? 22-16 in favor of what? Black team. Wait. 3 seconds. 3 seconds in the key. Francis for 3. No good. Rebound by Brian. Ryan umatake. Pinasa kay Mike. Pinasa kay Brian umatake. 2 points and it's good. Galing talaga ni Mighty Mouse.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good. Halftime. Halftime.
Black ball. Black ball.
Saan yung jersey?
Depensa na yun.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Lamang ang red ball na.
Dapat doon ako, ano tayo, nagkakwentuhan lang tayo dyan.
May komentary na.
Commentary tayo. Ayan, si Fred. Ang ganda ng defense, ha. Pinasa kay Brian, pinasa kay Wayne. Wayne. Number 3, Wayne. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by Ken. Binigay kay Jello. Still ni Mighty Mouse. I still need team captain, Carlo. Team captain, Carlo. Carlo. Umatake. Pinasa kay Brian. Ang ganda ng pasa, tol. Ganda naman nun. Nice pass by Carlo. Oh. Si Fred. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound by D. Oh, lakas ng rebound. Sablay. Vince. Vince. Pinasa kay Brian. Brian. Pinasa kay Wayne. Wayne. Pinasa sa loob. Oy, si Lucky for 2. No good. Rebound by D. D. Ayan na. Ayan na. Uy, pump that.
What tayo? Ano yung listahan?
Carlo. Pinasa kay Vince. Vince for 3. No good. Rebound by Kent. Kent said, hold on. Uy, natapik ni Vince.
Yung kalbo. Sa atin din yun, wala pa ni jersey.
Uy, steal. 2 points, no good. Rebound by D. Umatake na naman. Uy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Jello. Ang sipag talaga ni Jello. Out of bounds. Save ball. Sipag talaga. Okay. Fred for 3. No good. Pinasa kay Brian. Ang bilis ni Brian. No good. Rebound by Fred. Uy. Bagong gupit si Fred. Pinasa kay D. Munti ka na yung steal. Pinasa kay Dom. Umatake. Pop. Good. 2 points. 2 points tayo. Ayan po. Si Carlo. Pinasa kay Lucky. Pinasa kay Brian. Pinasa kay Vince. Vince for 2. No good. Rebound again. By Kent. D. Alright. D. Pinasa kay Dom. Pop and shot again. Good. Oh my God. Stop and pop. Stop and pop.
Gusto ko, alamin mo. 3 points.
Sayang. Sino yun?
Kuya Laki. Wala. Isa na lang ang lakas. Parang nagpe-therapy mo. Hindi ka ba tayo mag-ito? Dahil ano ang vitamins mo? Bilis mo na rin for 3. Good. Oy, tama ka. Brian, sa kang inspirasyon. Ganda ng laro ni Brian. Dali. Brian,
Hindi ba running time yan kung time out? Hindi running time kung time out?
dahil sumasa na yun, at ang ira na yun,
Amoy isda.
tama ka na isa. Ikaw ang isa sa amin mo. Tulong. Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go guys. Okay, serene.
Alright.
Hoy! Johnny! Hold the ball! Yun na ako! Ala na! Ang galing nito, man. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Hoy! Ayan na. Si John, ayan na. Binasa kay D. Ayan. Yun, binasa kay Captain. Pinasa, cross pass, dito. Wala, hoy. Step to pick, oo. Pumatay ng press. Bumitaw. Wala. 29-26. Taylor Paolo's team. Okay. Wow. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Pinasa kay Vince. Vince, tumira ng press. Pinasa. Oh my God. Tumutulong pa. Laro si Vince ngayon. Baka makapatulong ng talino. Yeah, boy. Hoy, kumalang ng press. Hoy, sumagot si Danny. Dinawi agad. Oo, dinawi agad. 32-29. Sila ko naman. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound. Labang ka natatulong ang mga kapatid. D. Pasa kay Johnny. Pinasa kay D. He's looking. He can't find anybody. Shoutout na sa kid. Pinasa kay Danny for 3. Wala ka rin. Rebound. Wala sa rebound. Na-rebound in the box. The box. Umatake. The box. Pinasa kay Vince. Wala. Pinapik. Hoy! Guys, kung gusto nyo pong showmay, hindi ko yung nakakatingin sa Teret. Nakatingin nyo. Kung gusto nyo mag-order ng showmay, guys, may showmay na tayo dito, guys. Go! Pwede ba mag-free days ang showmay? Kung gusto ba kayo,
Pang-committee.
may showmay tayo dito, guys. Pumili lang po kayo ang free days ang showmay. Pumili lang kayo, huwag kayo nahiya. Mike Santos, pinasa ka dyan. Brian, pinipis pa sa corner.
Uy! Okay!
Oy, sumabataan yan yung mga kaibigan. Ian, pass it to Bob. Bob for 3. Uy, wala na, uy. Harap, uy, good. Uy, ito na yung, ito star player ko. Kapicture na natin ito. Pipicture lang, susukatan ko din yan. Pipicture lang. Picture lang, sukatan sa kapipicture natin. Ito, ready ka. Kailangan ko na taas. Ready na natin.
Sab the boss.
Pinasa ke Lucky. Lucky. Back to Carlo. Carlo, matake. Uy! Ang ganda mo, Carlo. Wala. Rebound in the box. Pinasa ke Mike. Uy, nice pass. Oh, good. Rebound by Carlo. Dialata. Ganda na pala. Taste ko naman. Uy. 3 points! Ganda na ng rotation. Hosdani, sinuso pa rin. Patay, sisok for 3. Wala. Wala. Ito na, ang mga kapatid. Lamang. Pinalik. Uy! Nandito si Sam. Pero buwan pa rin mga kapatid.
Idol.
The books! The books! Ay!
Ay, 22. Stop. Foul number 22. Sige. Nasa ba jersey na? Hello? Kasi late. The most first shot, second shot, no good. Rebound by Rebound. What do you got? We got a ball. Single. 43 seconds.
Anong quarter na yun?
Okay. 36 seconds. Okay. Pass to Ryan. Ryan pass to Mike. Uy, ganda na tapos kay Francis. Francis na ba now? Inasa kay Ibrahim. The books. Number 3. No good. Rebound by Johnny. Inasa kay Ian. Ian for 2. Oh yeah! 2 points. 31-36. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Monty. Alright, Johnny back to Jello for 2. No good. Rebound by the books. Outlet pass stolen by Johnny. Stolen. No. Got it back. Pinasa kay Jello. Pinasa. Wala. Brian, 2 points. Mr. Mighty Mouse. That's what I'm calling out, right?
Mighty Mitty, ha?
We got a time call by the ref. So,
Mag-ready na yung next, ano?
okay, the next team, guys. TJ ka ba yung next team? Boom! Sino? Jason. Okay. Sige na, mag-base na kayo. Ako na pala dito.
Kaya para mabilis, announce mo na agad para mabilis.
Okay. Team Jason. Let's get ready, guys. Alex, go. Ivan, Christian, Tevin.
Hindi ka ba si, Harold? Harold? Hoy! Hoy!
Glenn, RJ, Aladdin,
Hoy!
Chicago. Team Edward. Wala si Ryan, Theon, Marco, Yon, Clyde, Aaron, Sean. Okay. Good. Rebound.
Pero listahan dyan. May gusto ka?
Okay. Oy, pasok. Next team, ready na kayo. Pass it to D. D for 3. No good. Rebound by Pat. 2 points. Hey, there we go. Oh, ayan si Ryan. Dumating si Ryan, guys. First shot is good. Second shot. Second shot is good. more remaining. Alright. Oi, steal, good steal, steal lead Bryant. Tinira, 2 points. Ganda na laban. 45-33. Tinira ng press. Pasok. 3 is good. 36-45. Vince, pinasa kay The Box. The Box, pinasa kay Vince. Vince, pass to Marlo. Brian, pinasa kay Vince for 3. Uy, wala. Uy. Offensive. Stop. 34. Hold. Pass. Set. End line, guys. End line. Let's go. Stop. Set. Okay. The Box, pinasa kay Carlo. Na-steal. Na-steal na din. Na-steal ulit. Brian. Ang daming steal ni Brian. Pinasa kay Carlo. 2 points kay Carlo. Daming steal ni Brian. Balik talaga ni Brian. 2 points to go. Easy na. Tumira na Carlo. 3 na good. Two points. They're good. Stop. Yes, sir. The Box, pinasa kay Brian for 2. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Pass it to Carlo for 3. No good. Nakuha yung Fred. Steal na naman ni Mighty Mouse Brian. Yeah. Bilis talaga ni Brian. Ano pinino natin? Red Bull. Tubul. Bilis ni Brian. Wow, 2 points by down. 38-47. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Stop. Down, black. Okay. Masukin natin yan. Ayun naman okay. Okay? Ito na mo. Okay, next.
Sabi mo, yung mananalo, bibili ng showman. Yung mananalo, bibili ng showman.
Oh, yan. Dito mo kayo mananalo. We have Tomay, Eric. Tikman natin yung Tomay. Okay, bibili ako. Alright. Bilis. The Box. Pinasa kay Brian. Uy! Pasok ko. Ay, ito si Siwan ka! Pinag-iinip ko ito. Yan. Pinasa kay Fred. Umataas si Fred. 2 points. It's good. Sige. 40-50. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ang bilis talaga ni Idol. Wow. Wala. Arabaw. Stop. Lucky in. Brian out. White ball. Sige, sa akin to. To the books. Pass it to Brian. Wayne. Pass it to Mike. Mike Santos sa mga pinablock. Uy, you got a foul. 43. White to the hole. Come. Vic. Okay, jump ball, guys, jump ball. Ganda na sa practice nito, hindi na nakalabor. Ha? Ha? Di ba ba na? Nakapasok siya mga boss. Okay, pinasa kay Johnny Boy. Johnny hesitate. He hesitates, he picks up his football, he only needs it to be no good. Rebound, again, rebound by Lee. Uy, wala pa rin, mas. Rebound by Lucky. Lucky. Pinasa kay Brian. 1 minute and 20 seconds. What's up, son? Alright, pass to the Bulls. The Bulls attacks. Uy, no good, no look pass. Steal by Wayne, pulls the ball, pass it to the Bulls. The Bulls. We got a foul on the floor. Okay, 1 minute and 4 seconds. Alright. Lucky, pass it to Wayne, pass it to the Bulls. Pass it to Wayne, got a reach. 25 block reach. Okay. The Bulls pass it to Wayne, Brian, uy! Talagang ang tulis ni Brian. Uy! You got a foul, you okay? You good? Two shot. Okay, we got two shots. Yeah. Okay. Basket. Basket good, by 10. 42-51. 40 seconds. Pass back. No. Wayne. Pass to Brian P. Brian, pass it to Wayne. Ganda ng pasangit ka dalawang to. 2 points. Brian. Alright. Johnny for 3. No good. Rebound by 10. 6 seconds. No good. Lucky. 3, 2, 1.
It was Team Carlo versus Team Johnny tonight. First game natin sa Season 3 ng TNBL, Brotherhood League. Nandito ang player of the game natin, si Brian P. with 17 points, 6 steals, and 5 assists. Brian, ulitin ko yung tinanong ko kasi namatay yung internet natin. Nasa Willywood tayo, may na yung internet. Tol, yun nga, sinabi ko na yung team nila na nanalo ng first half, yung second half kayo nang take over with your speed and your I'm guessing your experience kasi naglalaro ka. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Siguro ano lang, yung sa bilis nga and then sa mga pasa ng bola. Tsaka dinaan namin sa transition, yun lang, kung kami nanalo, box out. Yun lang talaga. Tiwala lang sa kakampi.
Oo, nakita mo nahihirap yung dalawang big man nila sa Sarima nung binax out nila. Si Mike Santos nandun, si The Book, si Ryan, ang laki ng impact. You know what I mean? You guys played all good. And then si Lucky and of
Tsaka
course...
walang sisihan sa team na.
Yeah, nakita ko nga man. Si
Tino-open, tira.
Yeah, that's good. Ikaw yung first player game natin sa Season 3, Tol. Welcome. Alam ko naglalaro ko sa ibang liga and welcome to our group.
Yeah.
And of course, guys, baka may shoutout ka naman. I know it's a new group.
Shoutout sa team ko, Team Carlo, and then sa Tuesday Basketball League. And then sa Team Johnny, good game.
Yes, that was a good game. Alright, Tol. Next week ulit ha. Salamat tol. Welcome back guys. Yes, we're back.